Hey everybody! Today I'm super excited to be trying out a brand new product, a Hydrosilk Pro Hydrating Bond System by NuSTANDARD. It is supposed to keep your curls popping and your sleek styles hydrated. I can't wait to try it out. But before we get into it, I want to thank you for coming to my channel and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my YouTube posts and I can keep you educated and entertained. Now, let's get into this detangling process. So, gonna be detangling these curls, showering it with a bunch of detangler so that I can get my client nice and ready to get into the shampoo bowl. I like to detangle all my clients before getting into the bowl because this avoids breakage and also it avoids matting in the bowl. Let's take a look at how wonderful these curls are looking today, y'all. They look great. They look great. She came in a little bit dry, but let me tell you, just a few sprays of the detangler and the curls look already super, super nice and hydrated. And it's gonna make it super easy to comb through. Check it out. Let me not forget to thank the wonderful Felicia Leatherwood for creating the best detangling brush ever. Yes, I said it, and if you don't have one, you gotta get one. You can click the link down below. I'm gonna leave it there for you because if you don't have this brush, you're missing out and your curls are suffering. Okay? Get this brush. And thank you, Felicia. I appreciate you, girl. So she's ready to go in the bowl. She's fully detangled and ready to be shampooed. So here's the bond builder and here is the bond silkener. We're going to be using those after the shampoo. Once she is shampooed and those curls are nice and fresh, there's that shampoo right there. We're going to be taking that bond builder and we're going to be misting that all over these curls. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. I'm going to take my nice mister and I'm going to get these curls nice and saturated with the bond builder. Now this bond builder is going to help repair any damaged bonds that have been created by heat or the elements. So we're gonna go ahead and get that nice and saturated, get those curls nice and saturated and have that on there. And this bond builder is going to be on these curls for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to sit there for that long. Going to get that nice, put it on there, work it through, and let it sit for just a little while. Now, as you could see, I took the hair section for section so that I could get this bond builder evenly distributed and I could saturate all of the hair. Went through there with a nice detangler just so I could get it all the way through from the very root all the way to the very ends. And like I said, this is going to sit on the hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to get right on into the next step, and that is applying the bond silkener. So once the bond builder has been on the hair for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, you are going to add the bond silkener. You're not gonna rinse, just gonna go ahead and add that silkener to it, and you're gonna work that through all of the hair. As you can see, I have it in 4 sections, so I'm gonna be working this through all 4 of these sections just to get that bond silkener layered right on top of the bond builder, and that will be setting on the hair for another 10 to 15 minutes as well. Check it out. Now, I don't know about y'all, but if you take a look at this hair and just look at how hydrated it looks already. I mean, this is after step 1 and applying step 2, and I'm already noticing a very, very nice moisture added to the hair. Super easy to get through, super easy to work through. The product feels great on my hands, by the way, so it feels even better on the client's hair. Just peep that. I mean, and look at this hair. It's not even done, and it's giving me all kinds of greatness. Look at those curls. They are juicy, they are popping. Oh, I think that NuSTANDARD is onto something. Definitely onto something with this system. So we got that all worked through, and later on we got the hair back in its clean 4 sections, and we're gonna let that set. And once that is set, we will rinse it out. Oh, it's rinsed out. She's rinsed, she's ready to go. Do you guys see that? There's nothing on this hair, nothing. All I did was what I was instructed to do. NuSTANDARD, thank you. I think my client's hair is really loving it. Looks really good. Once it was rinsed out, I went ahead and put the conditioner on there and rinsed that out. This is the hair after a rinse out. Looks great. Looks totally hydrated, super ready to blow out. I mean, I'm excited about the finished product of this. Now I'm at it again with my no comb blowout. Now, I swear by this method. I believe in stretching the hair out before I start using a detangling brush, before I start using a comb, a Denman, or anything. Just get the hair nice and stretched out. This is going to be eliminating some of that breakage that we get when we get to raking through the hair with tools before the hair is dry. Hair is actually not at its strongest when wet, so that's why I like to blow it out. Hands first, comb free. Now she's all blown out. Look at this hair. Look at it. It is shiny. It's lustrous. Feels super good to the touch. You see that brush getting right through it. No hiccups, no stops. The hair is looking gorgeous. She is perfectly blown out for her layered cut. It's what I like to see when I'm getting ready to do the finishing touches. You see that? Hair's looking great. Looking super good. Once again, I use that Hydrosilk Pro, the hydrating bond system by NuSTANDARD, and this is what my client's hair is looking like before I even get the silk press. This is after a blowout. Look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that luster. This is some healthy hair, y'all, and even healthier after today. Now, I just thought I'd give you a sneak peek of the cut. I'm not gonna go through the full cut in this video, but I did want you to see that I already have taken a nice healthy portion of my client's hair out. She was getting a kick out of it. But here we are, long, luscious layers. Do you see this? That's right, girl. Shake it out. Shake it out. I just had to let you guys get a whirl, okay? Do you see that body, that shine on those curls? Do you see that? Do you see those layers? I mean, I am loving the outcome. I'm gonna have to give NuSTANDARD a thumbs up for the Hydrosilk Pro Hydrating Bond System. It is awesome. My hair, not my hair, my client's hair. Excuse me, y'all. My client's hair is looking great. You know what? I take ownership over all the hair in here, okay? I have to admit it. I love it. It's mine. Just to give you a little close-up though. Check that out. Check out these curls. Check out those layers. I mean, awesome. Once again, the Hydrosilk Pro Hydrating Bond System by NuSTANDARD. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. This hair is loving it. I'm loving it. My client is loving her hair. You couldn't ask for anything more. Once again, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna keep you educated and entertained, and I'm gonna show you all kinds of lovely looking healthy hair. Thank you. Bye-bye.